Amazon was a loss-making company for first 15 years or so.
Okay.
You can get into YC based on a doc.
Do you think someone from India can directly apply?
Zepto was a YC
Hmm.
company. I think at least 5 to 10 companies make it from India every year. Amazon was a loss-making company for first 25 years or so, like first 15 years or so. They didn't make a single dime of profit before AWS was launched. Like I don't see in any part of the world an ecosystem that will sustain a company that continuously makes losses for 15 years. बहुत रेयर है वो कल्चर रेप्लिकेट करना रेयर है थोड़ा एंड देन आपका वो भी होता है ना कि व्हेन देयर इज सो मच इन्फ्लक्स ऑफ टैलेंट फ्रॉम ऑल अराउंड द वर्ल्ड एंड एवरीवन इज बाउंसिंग आइडियाज ऑफ ईच अदर देयर इज वन गाय फ्रॉम पोलैंड सो मेनी फ्रॉम इंडिया चाइना छोटी छोटी कंट्रीज से ऑल ऑफ देम आर पैक्ड इन वन प्लेस दे आर बिल्डिंग
Hmm.
आइडिया मतलब आपका वो एनर्जी लेवल भी आप मोटिवेटेड रहोगे ना यार दिस गाय इज वर्किंग एवरी डे फॉर लाइक 20 आवर्स लेट मी आल्सो पुट इन ऑल द वर्क the person who's sitting next to you working on something he'll connect you to 15 different investors वो उनका इकोसिस्टम वैसा बन गया अगर आप वाईसी देखोगे वाईसी वाई कॉम्बिनेटर यू मस्ट नो अबाउट इट राइट तो पहले कितने कम एक्सेप्ट करते थे बट नाउ आपके पास अगर प्रोडक्ट भी नहीं है आपने एक पीपीटी बनाया है पीपीटी छोड़ो आपने एक डॉक लिखा है यू कैन गेट इनटू वाईसी बेस्ड ऑन अ डॉक वो आपका आपका एप्लीकेशन देखेंगे दे विल सी योर क्रेडेंशियल्स दे एक्चुअली पे अ लॉट ऑफ एम्फेसिस ऑन दैट कि आपने काम क्या किया है कि आप
Hmm.
जैसे यू आर एन एक्स गूगल इंजीनियर एंड यू स्केल्ड अ सर्विस और यू आर एन एक्स स्टार्टअप फाउंडर एंड यू सोल्ड दिस कंपनी ठीक है तो आपने
Hmm.
खुद वो तो मैटर करता ही है देन दे लुक एट योर आइडिया दे डू अ शॉर्ट 15-minute इंटरव्यू दे विल आस्क यू how do you think this can become a 100 million company? That's the most common question they ask in YC interviews. How do you think it can become a $100 million company or a $1 billion company? You give them an answer. If they're satisfied, you get through YC. YC का
Ah.
क्या है? YC का 3 महीने का कोर्स कर लो, you get 500K USD in your bank.
Oh. Wow.
500K USD से आप 500K USD is how much? 4.5 crores.
Yeah.
इंडिया में एक ऑफशोर टीम हायर कर लो, pay
Hmm.
them like 15-20 lakhs a year, maybe even less if you want to. It will last you a long time, and because you have that YC ka tag, other investors would want to put more money into you. So just because of you coming up with an idea and you having a solid profile and you taking a single step, which is to write a doc or build a PPT, all these opportunities just opened up for you one by one, right? ये
Yeah.
सिर्फ ऐसे Bay Area में ही हो सकता है, ये और कहीं नहीं हो सकता. Because I tried, like I was working on something
Hmm.
and I was looking for like investors or people in showing interest in Seattle and other neighborhood Portland. Like, it's very different. It's a different place.
बिकॉज बाहर से जो परसेप्शन होता है ना इट्स लाइक कि ऑल द यूएस इज लाइक दिस कि हाँ भाई यूएस चले जाओ भाई पैसा मिल जाएगा स्टार्टअप पे दैट्स द
I
परसेप्शन
mean, there are some cases in New York में if you're doing a finance startup, तो आपके थोड़े finance वाले investors New York में ज़्यादा होंगे because of Wall Street maybe. But yeah, SF is a different place. Yeah.
या मतलब क्योंकि इंडिया में होता है कि if they are giving you money they start asking कि यार भाई प्रॉफिट कब आएगा like focus is more कि भाई revenue it's like कि okay भाई पहले they don't understand the model of क्या कहते हैं user base increase करना फिर ठीक है we'll figure out a monetization strategy they were like कि भाई day one से you need to show some revenue and stuff which is
Yeah.
really hard to do in products.
And इधर थोड़ा investor involvement भी कम होता है. Like I remember reading India में there are so many huge startups
Hmm.
that failed because the investor did some politics or got involved and intentionally did something to hurt the company. वो थोड़ा कम होता है यहाँ पे इन्वेस्टर पैसा डाल के भूल जाता है वो 5 साल बाद चेक करेगा क्या चल रहा है एंड या देयर आर सो मेनी प्रोग्राम्स आई वुड स्टिल से लाइक अगर तुम्हें अभी भी स्टार्टअप बिल्ड करना है ना गिव योरसेल्फ 6 months in SF and then you can move wherever you want to right एक बार पैसा रेज कर लिया then you can run a full globally remote company nobody cares as long as the
Yeah.
company is registered in the US and paying taxes in the US you can work out of anywhere but if you
Yeah.
still want to do a startup uh, and if you can spend 6 months in SF, that's the best thing you can do, I would say.
Yeah. I think like अगर idea है and then if somebody can get through YC
Yeah.
मतलब directly or similar incubators and if
बहुत
they're
है
getting a बट वो आई डोंट नो द वीज़ा कौन सा लगेगा फिर उनका?
उनका ओवन वीज़ा लगता है। सो दैट इज़
हुँ,
बेसिकली क्या होता है, ओवन वीज़ा इज़ it's called the extraordinary ability visa. So they have like some 8
हुँ,
criteria and you have to satisfy any 3.
हुँ,
So once you get funding, आपका उसमें एक क्राइटेरिया सेटिस्फाई हो जाता है। देन वंस यू गेट अ लॉट ऑफ आर्टिकल अबाउट योरसेल्फ, लाइक मीडिया
हुँ,
पब्लिकेशंस करोगे ना आप स्टार्टअप का, आपका दूसरा सेटिस्फाई हो जाता है और तीसरा आपका अ जैसे वाईसी पॉल ग्राहम या कोई भी इन्फ्लुएंशियल बंदा है वाईसी में, उसका रिकमेंडेशन यूज़ कर लो, आई थिंक यू गेट थ्रू 3-4 conditions this way, and most YC founders they get an O1 visa.
हुँ,
Uh, and that allows you to work in US for I think 3 years and then it can be extended beyond that. I'm not sure, but yeah, it's
हुँ,
amazing. There are so many accelerators at this point. कहीं भी घुस जाओ आप। वाईसी का क्या है, ब्रांड नेम वैल्यू बहुत स्ट्रांग है और वाईसी
हुँ,
में ना इतनी कंपनीज़ आ गई हैं कि वो आपस में ही सेल करते हैं, पता है? सो
ओह!
एक कंपनी दूसरे
हाँ,
का कस्टमर है, दूसरा उसका कस्टमर है। सो देयर आर सो मेनी कंपनीज़ वाईसी एंड ऑल ऑफ देम आर कनेक्टेड वाया दिस वाईसी का bond,
हाँ,
sell within themselves, and before they even launch to other companies, they're already like a 10-20 million dollar company because they have made so much sales within themselves.
that's really amazing, that's really cool.
uh,
Do you think someone from India can directly apply? Yeah? Or you
there are
have to
3 companies every year that make it. I think there were at least 5. You know Zepto, right? Zepto was a YC
हुँ,
company.
अच्छा,
uh,
या
yeah, there are so many. I think at least 5 to 10 companies make it from India every year. Not all of them make it big, but all of them make it through YC. I'm pretty sure.
but I think for Indian companies, they have to have a product, right? They have to have some traction, at least the
uh,
one you have seen gone through.
मतलब कुछ तो किया होना चाहिए। आई हैव सीन, जैसे जो रेज़र पे था ना,
हुँ,
आई वाज़ सीइंग रेज़र पे, आई थिंक दे गॉट थ्रू वाईसी विदाउट बिल्डिंग अ प्रोडक्ट
really?
एंड दे वर जस्ट अ पेमेंट गेटवे एट द टाइम। आई मीन इट्स हार्ड टू पिच अ पेमेंट गेटवे राइट व्हेन देयर आर सो मेनी पेमेंट गेटवेज दैट ऑलरेडी
हुँ,
एक्सिस्ट एंड yeah, I think it's all about how you play that game, how you prep for it. मैं लाइफ में कुछ पहले से किया है, एक स्टार्टअप फाउंडर, सोल्ड
हुँ,
कंपनी, reached high engineering positions at companies, वैसे वैसे कुछ किया है। I think you can make it as long as you believe in your idea, you have a plan on how to make it a 100 million company, you will make it. That's no question.
हुँ, yeah, I think opportunity is there. I think it's just like I feel like there is lack of awareness. I mean,
Mhm.
like we are privileged to be in certain circles कि ठीक है हमें पता है, and but
Yeah,
we represent a very small part of the
yeah,
workforce,
yeah,
and I think the people have such amazing ideas, but they lack awareness कि हाँ भाई करना कैसे है, and
yeah.
they get stuck into wrong places.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was watching a video wherein this guy who got through YC, he was like a 17-year-old Indian kid, and
Mm,
he wanted to apply for an O1 visa. So you have to get recommendation letters signed, right?
mm,
Uh, so Sam Altman, he was the ex-CEO at YC. So before OpenAI, he was running YC. So he had come to YC for a talk, like a session talk. And after
mm.
the talk, that kid just went to Sam Altman and showed him, "Can you sign this letter for me?" And Sam Altman actually signed the recommendation letter for him. So that's the network you build as well at YC. ऐसी ऐसी चीजें होती
Yeah.
हैं.
I mean, YC was started by this like PayPal mafia, right? No, like
Yeah,
one of the few people from PayPal mafia.
it was
Okay.
actually YC was started by 3 people. So one of them is Robert Morris. So he is, I think he's still an MIT professor, and he was the creator of the first worm. जो ये वायरस होते हैं ना, वर्म भी होता है एक चीज, आई थिंक विच
Mm,
वायरस दैट
mm,
स्प्रेड. So he was the creator of the world's first worm, and
mm,
he went, 16 years old, he went to prison or something. He was a like amazing guy, and then he became an MIT professor. तो उसका एक दोस्त था, I think, an MIT, Paul Graham, who
mm,
with his wife Jessica Livingston. So these 3 people they started YC, I think.
mm,
And initially they funded. Um, जो उनका फर्स्ट बैच था ना, उसमें सैम ऑल्टमैन था एक तो.
mm,
He was working on some other company at the time, which he sold to Apple later. Then Aaron Schwartz, Reddit, and all of the rest of the 3 people who founded Reddit. Then there was Twitch as well,
mm,
Twitch.tv. फर्स्ट बैच में तो बहुत अमेजिंग कंपनीज़ थी। देयर वाज़ Affirm आई थिंक, जो एक पेमेंट
हुँ,
कंपनी आई थिंक।
अफ़र्म हुँ,
Yeah.
अफ़र्म पे हुँ,
I think Airbnb was also the first or second batch.
या आई थिंक दे डिड प्रोड्यूस lot of cool stuff. I think some of the companies were really good, great.
Yeah, and you only need one company to succeed, right? If just one company is worth like 100 billion, your other 500 investments don't matter anymore.
Yeah, I think VC game is a very different game. मतलब if you are in that